Hi, I'm Aaron from Beds by George, and one of the questions that we get asked a great deal is the proper way to attach the fabric to our canopy frame for our rigid side beds. I want to point out this is not for the Haven bed. This is when we're putting a canopy top on a rigid side bed. So after you've attached the metal frame to the bed posts, then you're going to take your fabric and you're going to drape it much the same way that I've shown here on this mini demo. It's very important to notice that there is a flap that's always going to be white that needs to hang down inside the bed. That way you know you've got it oriented properly. The purpose of this flap is so that I can tighten all four sides on the top independently of the side flaps. So when this comes, there's a piece of Velcro with adhesive backing already attached right here. Our recommendation is that you pull that Velcro off, remove the adhesive backing, and attach that piece of Velcro to this top pipe as straight as you can. Once that's done, you simply take the flap, you put it to that Velcro, again, as straight as possible, and you simply roll it up. It's always best to do this with a partner who is doing the opposite side at exactly the same time. That way when you're pulling it taut, you're pulling it evenly, and you don't have something offset. Once it's nice and snug, you come back with your Allen wrench. This is a 3/16 Allen wrench, and I tighten the set screws on either side so that that bar cannot unroll. Then I take the remaining fabric and I pull it down all four sides. Similar, I have my Velcro attached to this. I remove the adhesive. I attach the adhesive back Velcro to the bottom bar, and I drop this down and attach this to the bar as straight as possible. Once that's done, I'm going to roll this much the same way as I did the top until it's nice and taut. Take my same 3/16 Allen wrench, and you'll be able to see the set screws behind our flaps here, and I'm going to tighten that snugly on both sides. Once I've done all four sides, everything is down, then I have my corner flaps. There's an inside flap and an outside flap. I make sure I bring them around the bar, attach the inside flap, and attach the outside flap. And that is the appropriate way to attach the fabric to a canopy frame. Thank you.